What's good, besties? It's your girl EarthAngel naturally all up on your screen. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, I just had to do a happy dance just now because you guys, oh my gosh, you guys have been showing me so much love on this channel, subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, watching my videos, sharing my videos, commenting down below. Like, you guys are actually commenting and actually responding to things and stuff like that, and following me on Instagram and so on. So it's really amazing to see how awesome you guys are responding to what it is that I'm trying to do. What I'm doing isn't easy. I'm basically trying to brand myself in order to get the content that I want to provide out there to you guys on the best platform that I can access right now. So it's not easy what I'm trying to do, and to get you guys to support it is just amazing. So I just had to big up all of my bestie them for that right now. Yeah, based on the title of this video, I already know that you guys are saying, Khadija, Grammy gone 1 week ago, we don't want to talk about Grammy, what you talk about? Okay, so first of all, Grammy gone long time. Yeah, my rusty ass nails need to get sorted out. Okay, so Grammy gone long time. However, a lot of things that happened at Grammy are still bubbling all over social media, everywhere, even today. So we need to still talk about it. So I'm going to just run down 10 things that happened on Grammy night that were interesting to me. I know this is not a top 10. This is not saying that number 1 is any better than number 10. It's just 10 things that I literally found interesting. So let's just jump in a dot. Okay, so coming in at number 10 right away, as y'all know, notes, yeah. So coming in at number 10 is Junior Gang with Grammy win for best reggae album. Now, this is big controversy in my island here of Jamaica because everybody wanted Chronixx to take it home with his album Chronology. Now, I can understand why. Chronixx is the underdog in this category, and he's the one that is going to be fan favorite. Everybody is going to want Chronixx to come out on top. And mind you, I too was rooting for Chronixx to say, yeah man, if Chronixx can get this, then it would at least show as an example to other young artists in the business that it is possible for you to work just as hard to reach a level that you can win a Grammy. You don't have to born into royalty like the Marleys were, and you don't have to be anybody's friend. You can literally work hard like Chronixx did, grind your way to the top, and then collect a Grammy. Like, I think it would have been such a wonderful, teachable moment for the industry where dancehall and reggae is concerned. However, come on, we have to be realistic, guys. Now, I listen to Chronology and I listen to Stony Hill. And bias aside, Stony Hill was a better album for me. I don't know if because I appreciate content over style or swag, and I think Chronixx's album was good in terms of what he was talking about. Listen to that, was okay with it. But then what I appreciate about Stony Hill is that Junior Gang took the time out to actually discuss things that I feel Jamaican people thought were taboo. Like, why is it that in dancehall and reggae, or in entertainment overall where Jamaican people are concerned, it's almost as if your story have to be about sufferation and one slippers and bull and bread and all of these things. Not everybody grew up that way. Not everybody had to literally dig themselves out of a ditch. It's awesome that we have storytellers telling those stories, because there are a lot of youths in Jamaica going through those same experiences even today in 2018. So it is very important. Junior Gang never go through no whole separation. Junior Gang had him Sunday dinner with him rice and peas and chicken. Junior Gang did have him goat nut shoes different from him school shoes, different from him church shoes. Junior Gang did have night clothes different from yard clothes. No, Junior Gang took the opportunity that he had with Stony Hill to give that perspective. A perspective on a life that is not usually sung about in our music. So I love that, and I don't know if because of that it kind of led me closer to voting for Junior Gang. But yeah, so I thought that Junior Gang's album was deeper in terms of content. And because of that, I think him deserve him Grammy win. Like, yeah, it would have good for Chronixx to get it, like I said, in order for the message. but Junior Gang deserve him Grammy win, and this is not because he's a Marley. Like, I know the stereotype that once a Marley get nominated for a Grammy, and them are going win because, oh my God, Bob Marley obia everybody in the world for have to give him and him kids everything. No, Junior Gang actually worked really hard on Stony Hill. It was an amazing album, and he win because it was just the better album. That's just it. Coming in at number 9, The Genius, 2 Grammy wins. Now, first of all, Jamaican media only is awful. You know why one is awful? Because Genius, the general, has been nominated and winning Grammys for so long, and I never find out about it until Zip FM. Big up yourself, Zip FM, Zip 103 FM. Yeah, I'm gonna link them down below so that we can go check them out, because they might talk up the real things. I never know about the Genius winning up Grammys and all these things until Zip FM told me about it. So the Genius collect 2 Grammy at Grammy 68th Award, Recording Academy Award, Grammy 2018. The Genius pick up 2 Grammy. He pick up a Grammy for producing past Stony Hill, and he pick up another Grammy for producing for our international artists. How are we not talking about these things? Yes, him is not Marley, yes, him is not Cartel, yes, him is not Alkaline or even Popcorn, but he is still doing so well in terms of, you know, being on that type of platform and doing so well. As a local artist, we need to stop giving credit to the same people all the time, and that is what I don't like about Jamaican media. We keep pushing the same people down the public throat. No, everybody needs to get credit. Everybody needs to be acknowledged. People need to know everybody that is winning on every level. You get me? So that when people like, for example, me, yes, I'm ranting, I'm sorry. So that when people like me now go on, for example, you know, Instagram or Star or on Observer or whatever, I can see people that are doing well on even levels of mine. People that are succeeding on levels that are not so amazing, but is still winning nonetheless. So that you can see that, okay, you don't have to be born into riches, or you don't have to know all the best people in the world in order to be successful. You need to just work hard, because see them feature that girl there, we just start our business. She's not ATL or she's not Sandals or one of those big establishments, but our business doing well. You know what that mean? Me can go start a business and do well. So we need to give light and give credit to people that are doing amazing on all levels, because not everybody is winning on the same level, and people need to know about these things. Like, it's ridiculous that nobody's talking about the fact that the Genius collected 2 Grammy Awards, and the fact that he has been collecting Grammy Awards like constantly, like the Genius been winning. Say, yeah, y'all need to go do your research. Yeah. Anyways, done with that. Moving on to number 8, Shaggy at the Grammys. Woo! Okay, so I'm happy. This is a happy one. No ranting right now. So Shaggy at the Grammy Awards. I'm so proud of Shaggy. This is a long time coming. Shaggy should be on this platform in the way that he was on Sunday. A long time ago. Like, we're talking about Mr. Bombastic. Like, really? This long? Okay, so it took Sting for the Grammy people to realize that, oh my gosh, Shaggy is an established, iconic artist. We need him on this platform to represent reggae and Caribbean music. Wow. Wow, Grammy. Wow. So anyways, Shaggy was like everywhere. Shaggy was from Red Carpet, talking about Shaggy and Friends, which is amazing. Congrats to you, Shaggy, for being able to get 100 million. I don't know if it's JMD or USD, but $100 million to the Bustamante Hospital, to the Alexander Bustamante Hospital. That is amazing. This says a lot about your foundation, a lot about people as well, because I know that persons donated a lot for you to reach that number. So it's really amazing to show that there is still hope for humanity, and there's still a lot of good in this world. And everybody pick me go to Bustamante Hospital, so this is a good look for Jamaican people. So yeah. Right, so moving on. Shaggy was from everywhere, to Red Carpet with Sting, to being on stage performing with Sting, which was epic. And also my favorite, when he and James Corden or something like that, oh my god, the carpool guy, he's not afraid, I don't remember what his name is right now, but yeah, when they were on the train for train carpool, that was just amazing. It was just funny, and Shaggy had the spotlight. Everybody in Grammy was looking at him. The Beyonce was looking at him. The Jay-Z was looking at him. The Puff Daddies was looking at him, and it was just amazing to see a Jamaican on that platform. So yeah, big ups to you, Shaggy. You come Mr. Bombastic. So coming in quickly at number 7 is another touchy topic for me, but Alyssa Cara winning Best New Artist. I do not want to rant anymore. I'm just gonna run over this quickly. Okay, so Alyssa Cara won Best New Artist of the Year. First of all, no shade at all, but what are the criteria for this award? I really think it is necessary for Grammy to announce, like, the Academy to announce what is the criteria, what is the rubric, that what is the measuring stick that you guys use to judge a new artist. Because mind you, I had to go get my laptop to get some stats right now, because this is ridiculous. Alyssa Cara, I am sure, is not a new artist, like nowhere close. But anyways, I just want to get some stats going right now, so I'm just gonna load up this laptop. But before I do that, let us just talk a little bit, right? Now, when I heard about this category and I heard who was nominated, I was like, okay, so SZA is gonna get this easily. SZA is gonna take this home. Now, SZA is a new artist. SZA was not known about until 2017. If anybody knew about her, it was like maybe late 2016. But in terms of her reach, was really happening in 2017. And this might be an excuse that the Academy will use to say, okay, but Alyssa Cara's reach didn't really happen until 2017. Lies, because everybody watched Moana. Everybody watched Moana, and everybody saw that Alyssa Cara did the soundtrack for Moana. And firstly, No Scars Tear Beautiful. Are you serious? That song was a friggin' hit. I need to even look up when that song came out, because this is ridiculous right now. Now, I know that her debut album dropped in 2015. What? 2018! And you are going to give someone a new artist award that their debut album dropped in 2015. Now, this is no shade towards Alyssa Cara. I just want to point that out quickly. This is no shade towards Alyssa Cara. She won her award. She should be happy about that. Whatever it is that I'm saying is nothing that should stop her from feeling like, okay, it's amazing that she won, because she has no control over who wants to nominate her and who wants to give her a Grammy. I mean, come on. But the Academy Award needs to answer some questions. Like, this is ridiculous. What I'm going to be looking for right now is a post that Alyssa Cara posted on her Instagram in response to all the haters. Now, a lot of you guys went in on Alyssa Cara. That was not nice that you went in on Alyssa Cara like that. It's not her fault. She has no control over who wants to give her a Grammy. Like I said, she was there, she won, she collected it, and she have all right to celebrate. So, because of all of you guys hating on this girl, she posted something for you. All you haters out there, she posted something for you guys. So I'm gonna pull up that post right now and read it. I was gonna just read some of it, but okay, so I found it, guys. Besties, it's here. Alright, so I'm going to also show you a snip of her post somewhere on the screen, but let me just read this. To address the apparent backlash regarding winning something I had no control over, duly noted, I didn't log on to Grammy.com and submit myself. That's not how it works. I didn't ask to be submitted either, because there are other artists that deserve the that deserve the acknowledgement. But I was nominated and won, and I'm not going to be upset about something I've wanted since I was a kid, not to mention worked really hard for. So hold on, since I never worked hard for fear, Grammy too. Let's continue. Where was I? I meant everything I said about everyone deserving the same shot. There's a big issue in the industry that perpetuates the idea that an artist's talent and hard work should take a backseat to popularity and numbers. I wouldn't say popularity and numbers, Alyssa Cara. I think it's market value and actual reality. Your album came out in 2015, okay? So just check that. Ready now? Yes, my music has become fairly popular in the last year, but I'm trying very hard. Hold on, wait, I missed something. Back up. And I'm aware that my music wasn't released yesterday. I'm aware that yes, my music has become fairly popular in the last year. No, girl, No Scars to Your Beautiful was the biggest hit for 2016. What are you talking about? You need to ask the Grammy why you were nominated for Best New Artist in 2017. That is where they robbed you. Okay, and them realize them rob you. Should be up into this one, make you nominated unfairly, because of course you're going to win. You are the best in terms of commercial success amongst all of the other nominated artists, which is unfair because you've been around longer and you also have greater material and more content in terms of what you have already produced. You have more hits, more #1s, more album sales. You have been on tour. Are you kidding me? You are an established artist, Alyssa Cara. As a matter of fact, thinking about this right now, I think the Grammy actually insulted you. The Academy Recording Academy Awards insulted you, Alyssa Cara, because you are not a new artist. Girl, you have been out here on the streets for damn near 2 years now, grinding, working hard, and these people are going to come give you New Artist Award. You must be nominated for Song of the Year and Album of the Year if you did have an album out and things like this. No, leave those awards for people like SZA and people like Cardi B and people like Lil Uzi Vert and those new artists that are popping up everywhere. This was an insult to your career, Alyssa. I'm actually on your side. Like, don't think I'm bashing you or picking on you or nothing like that. I am actually on your side. But I do think that you did not deserve that win, but I'm still happy for it that you won. I'm not gonna read all of this, guys, because I have to get to my other highlights. But you can find a post on her Instagram. She went on and on to talk about her 1,800 or 183,625 insecurities, and she don't know, and then just need to go check out the post. Alright, so coming in at number 6, Bruno Mars, Song of the Year over Despacito. No, Grammy, I realize a trend. I realize a trend with you guys at this past awards that I do not understand. How are you guys snubbing so many people? It's ridiculous. How did Bruno Mars win Song of the Year for That's What I Like? Now, mind you, this song was a bop. It was good. It did hot. It was up there. I love this song. Like, I think at one point, I even had this song as a ringtone on my phone. Or was that? Or was that my boy? I don't remember. But anyways, this song was everywhere. We love it. Millions of views, probably billions of views by now. However, come close and understand this. Despacito was on the billboards for practically the whole year. Despacito held the Billboard #1 spot for almost the first quarter of 2017. How can you not see that Despacito was the biggest song of the year? Seriously? Them two Puerto Rican do they infiltrate America and turn the place upside down? Like, are you kidding me? People want to know Spanish, they pan Despacito. I sing same way. What? Anyways, Bruno Mars, I love you so much. You already know, so you have my heart pumping every day with finesse. But you never deserve that win. Anyways, congrats to you and your millions of Grammys we collect that night. But I'm not even going to get into that. You're not on my list where that is concerned. So we're going to leave that for social media and all the people talking about it on Shade Room and all these other places. We're not going to talk about it here. But yeah, congratulations. Not deserving, but congrats. Moving on to number 5, Dave Chappelle at the Grammy. Dave Chappelle is back. Dave Chappelle is back. Welcome back, Dave Chappelle. We missed you. Moving on to number 4, Cardi B, Red Carpet Dress. Now, I see all of you on social media and all of these other YouTube channels talking about Cardi B dress don't look good. That dress is for somebody that is taller, that them can show off the design, that them can this, that them can that. Then I hear the most ridiculous comments that Cardi B should not be dressing so elegant because she is going to ruin her brand. What is our brand? Stripper, pole, What? Really? No. Only need to expound some more. You know, we don't like about haters on social media. When we put out ambiguous statements, obviously trying to insult the person or trying to show how little of intelligence you actually have. But you don't expound on these things to explain the foolishness where you say, what is our brand? See, our brand is Hood Bronx, about your titty all the time, skin out your tongue, whatever. Well, I dare so only get it wrong. I loved it. Cardi B, you looked amazing. I thought that the white was I think the white looked amazing on your skin. Your hair was so divinely wrapped up on top of your head. You looked beautiful. Your makeup was subtle and still very just nice, which is good for the Grammy. Like, people coming on the Grammy red carpet with some sharp ass contouring. Like, no, stop it. Your makeup's supposed to be soft and angelic like Cardi B's. So you look beautiful, girl. Don't listen to the haters. If you don't know, you're not listening to them anyways, but you know we still have them out here for you. So moving on to number 4. Moving on to number 3. Ready and quick up and ready. Ed Sheeran winning Best Pop Performance at the Grammy Awards. You saw me tell about Grammy snubbing the people them. You see evidence, people. We just keep bringing the evidence. You get me? Now, how is it? Now, first of all, I'm in love with the Shape of You. First of all, it is not even pop performance. It is pop vocal performance. How I Am the Shape of You, or In Love with the Shape of You, even get nominated? Like, where is the vocal range in that song for it to even give Ed Sheeran the opportunity to give a pop vocal performance worthy of being nominated for being the best of a year? I'm in love with the shape of you. You push and pull like a magnet, and my heart is far. Or the rhythm on the award. Well, then you need to create a category for engineering. Coming out tell no lie, the rhythm when be the point of that song that then God till even my girl Aishana go do our soundtrack. No. How did Ed Sheeran win that? Like, honestly, I thought the battle was going to be between Lady Gaga for A Million Reasons, because her performance of that song was amazing. And there was range, there was melody, there was flow. Shape of You don't have that. Or I thought it would have gone to Kesha's Pray, because that song is both iconic and powerful for so many reasons. Not only the fact that she is addressing her own cases of abuse, but the fact that she sang her ass off. How Shape of You win? Grammy, I have some questions to answer, because right now, just upset the people them out in Jamaica. I don't know how we deal with upset already. When I take upset likely. So moving on to number 2, quickly. The countdown is going down, people. It's going down. We get into the hot ones, and I'm going to talk about this one quickly, because I know say if we get too into it, but that's like a chat. And I know say even though they're not telling me in the comments, you know, but I know some time now. But I don't want to go down there and say no to my address it. Number 2 goes to Rihanna performance. I don't even include DJ Khaled and Bryson Taylor, even though I know in the leader they already. No, I have include DJ Khaled, because DJ Khaled, I want to say congratulations to you for doing what I needed you to do. I was so worried. I honestly expected you to be strutting across the stage saying we the best, another one, just soaking up all the spotlight, but you didn't. You stood there on a little round stage all for yourself, dancing your ass off, while Rihanna just took the entire stage performing like the queen she is, and it was just amazing, because it really is her performance. Her voice is on the track the most. I loved it so much. Rihanna in the lab making makeup and come on stage singing like she never stopped, dancing like she was touring last week, and it was just really amazing to see, and I was really excited about the performance. It was good. Now number 1, Cardi B and Bruno Mars performance. Now I think at this point I am officially a part of the Bardi gang. Like, seriously, this girl has appeared twice on my Listen, Bruno Mars and Cardi B to the stage, and I'm not telling no lie. Like, no lie. I was worrying for girl Cardi B. I was worried that, oh my gosh, is Cardi B going to fool herself into thinking that, oh my gosh, I'm so hot, I'm the hottest thing right now, so I can just go out there and try to be all this decent up and hardly want to sing, hardly want to dance, keep up their foolishness. I mean, also worry, so Bruno Mars got allow her to keep up her foolishness, where she go up on stage and play her track and then sing over it. Nobody don't want to hear that. People just want to hear you sing it. I don't know why American artists have this idea that people want to hear them track play on a stage show. No, we come to hear you live. Alive. We want you to sing. So Cardi B take the stage, and first of all, her outfit deserves a Grammy award by itself. Right? And then on top of that, my girl stand up, drop down post, roll your Morris, diamonds up and down my chest. Epic, nice, and then she shut down at the stage, and then Beyonce get up, Puff Daddy already up on him feet dancing away. It was just so beautiful to see her be herself. I was looking for the tongue. She did not disappoint. I got the tongue. It was just so good. And then my happy said Bruno Mars allow her to perform a little snippet from Bardi or Cardi, so you know, so people get to hear the guitar single. It was just really nice. And Bruno Mars made Cardi B dance choreography. So she is growing. I'm proud of her. The Grammy night was amazing in terms of performances. I think performances really let the night shine. But in terms of the awards, like when I ask some questions for answer, like a bare foolishness to keep up. When they give people an award, they don't even deserve it in the category. All these things. But anyways, that was my Grammy highlights of the 60th Recording Academy Grammy Awards of 2018. Let me know what you guys thought about what happened at the Grammy. If you have anything to comment on from the start of this video, I know it was a long ass video. Thank you for sticking through with me. There's a lot of things obviously on my chest, especially about dancehall and Jamaican media, that I did not know I had. Did I do and say those things? If you have any comments regarding what I said, and also follow me on social media. Links are always in the description bar below. I love you guys so much for watching. Thank you once again for all the support. Keep looking fly. Always walk good. All you beautiful people out there in the world. Bye, besties.